For a Scratch Cat error. Scratch Cat was killed by Andrew Silverman 1. Do not turn off your computer. Do not turn off your computer or else you will lose a chance. You get 11 chances.
Hey you. Did you just turned off your computer? Okay. That was your first chance. Don't do it again. And you did it again. Don't do it for the third time. Or the background will change to yellow-orange. Whoa. I surprised you with a new background. Don't do it again or else the background will change to orange-red. Now you made the background change to orange-red. Don't do it again. Or the background will change to scarlet. Didn't you listen to me about turning off your computer? Don't do it again. Or else the background will change to red. Stop it. You are making me angry. Don't do it again.
How dare you? This is not going to be good enough. 14 chances. Okay, you really need to stop. I mean it. 13 chances. Now stop it. Stop. Now you have 11 chances. Keep it up, then you will enter the code. Stop, 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 stop. 10 chances left. Turn off 10 more times, then you will enter the code. Stop. Now you made me get into I am God form. If you turn off again, then I will jump scare you big time. That's it. You asked for it. This is my ultimate form. This will be like this until your chances are now at 5. Stop, 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 stop. You only have 7 chances left. Stop. If you turn off one more time, then I will transform into my true ultimate form. Your chances are now at 5. Stop. The background will change again if you turn off again. You know what? If you turn off again, I'll automatically set your chances to 1. Okay, you asked for it. Yeah, that's right. This is your last chance. Don't do it, or else you will enter the code. Okay, that's it. Code time. You need to enter the code within a limited time. Do your worst. Hayaha. I'm sorry, but that was wrong, and that's outdated. Let me show you the correct code. 2, 4, 6, 8, 14, 15, 16, 17, 23, 26, 42, 64. If you enter that, you would be safe, but no. It's time to punish you. You did not listen to me about turning off your computer. That's it. You are grounded, grounded, grounded for.
Oh my god, you turned off your computer while I was grounding you. That's it. You asked for the ultimate jump scare.
Your computer had been crashed. Please buy a new system.